Had a neighbor that would walk into my backyard, take my gas can for my mower and put it in his car and mower and then return the can. I found this out because I had begun to be a little suspicious that this 5-gallon can was always nearly empty every time I went to mow the lawn, and it was only like a 1/4 tank on the lawnmower. This was back before cheap easy security cameras, so I had to set up a webcam from my laptop with motion detection software. Caught the guy going into the backyard literally 5 minutes after I left the house. For the next week, every time I had to take a piss, I pissed in that gas can. Now full of piss, but still smells enough like gas to fool an idiot. Then I left it on the back patio again. Made a big show of checking the fluids in my car, packing a few bags. Made sure the neighbor knew I was getting ready to go on a trip and I'd be gone a while. Hoping he takes the bait. I come back home in about an hour. The thief is in his front yard pulling the rope on his lawnmower so hard. It looks like he's going to have a stroke. Turning bright, red, and cursing. Later he gets in his car, makes it a couple blocks up the road, and it suddenly breaks down. I check the gas can on my patio, empty. Also, I just wanted to add, this guy was a huge piece of crap. That's not the only thing he did. I found out he had arrest warrants. So I ended up getting him arrested by applying for a sheriff's ride-along program in his name.